Hello guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another video with me trying. Okay. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble a trombone. So, the first step you want to do is you want to lock your slide. So, you have this piece right here. You lock that. So your slide doesn't move. Like that. So, that's the first step. The second step is you want to take off your mouthpiece. This is the important part of the instrument. And for all trombone users, you do not want to lose this. Trombones are very expensive in the stock market, and if you lose this, it's very expensive to replace. So, but anyways, you want to take your mouthpiece off. It looks like this. And then the next step is you want to take your horn off. So now you have your slide off and your horn off, and you don't want to lose these pieces. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.